Hello, welcome back. Here we have part two, back at the same space as we were when we started our last test. This time we do have the turbo installed. It is quite a nice fit, looks pretty on there. You see, here it is on our 3B. Everything fits in very nicely. And we're going to take it for a ride and see what improvements we've made. Now, I must say, went on very nicely, went on just as advertised in the kit. Now we have not yet turned up the high altitude compensation valve. For this test, we're just going to see what she does strictly with the turbo, nothing else done. Although we have opened up the exhaust. So we're going to get going here because the traffic's a little busier today. Foot to the floor, we're in second. On for third. Down same stretch of road. Going to be going down that little hill again. Foot to the rug, third. Going for fourth. By the seat of the pants feel, it does feel a little bit better. So I would say we have gained a little bit of power. How much? I don't think a heck of a lot. So we have made fifth gear already though. So we're at 60 mile an hour and climbing. Last time I think we're only in fourth gear until we got down this hill. So we have made some gains. We have a little more of a tailwind today, but not enough to worry about. And we are in fifth gear. And yeah, she made some gains. We're pushing, what, we're getting up in around 70 mile an hour. Whereas last time we could hold 60 mile an hour. So we've dropped a little bit. We're heading back down to 65-ish. Oh, we're moving back to 70. So they definitely have made some gains. Foot is completely to the rug, and we're holding in near 70 mile an hour. So we will be doing another test, of course, as we start playing with a high altitude compensation valve. Other small things we have done. The exhaust on this vehicle was very tiny. Right now, all we have is the downpipe coming out of the turbo. Because it's turbocharged, she's swallowing all the noise anyway, so you can't just run a straight exhaust if you wish. So, alright, stay tuned. Hopefully we update when we turn up the high altitude compensation valve. Thank you. Have a good day.